So I request all my students to put their join your hands together and put your Gary, put your mic on. A big applause for our champion of the day, Diane Dolce.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Put your video on, Diane. Everybody
Nice job.
Nice job.
Okay, now just hold on just 1 second. Let me mute all. I'm muting all of you. Method, keep your microphone off. Okay, just 1 second. Now, Diana, where you are? Diane,
I am right here. I have my microphone on.
Just a second, hold on. You are in the other room. Speak, keep on speaking.
I'm here.
There you are. There you are. Okay. There you're my champion. How are you feeling? Hi, Diana. Hi. No voice.
It's interesting. Okay, let me try this.
No, you're okay. Now you're okay. Now I can hear your voice.
Okay, perfect. Anyway, I just want to say thank you. When we first started this, or I started looking into this, the book that I was reading, I would never, ever, ever have had my beginner's test or passed the test. So much appreciate in the beginning when you start. I think it's overwhelming because you just hear all this stuff and there's just no way to put it. And then all of a sudden, one day, it all just starts to click. And whoever passed right before me and said they hear your voice in their head when they're doing the test, it's true. It happens. So, again, thank you so much. You will all do fine. You follow the program, follow the SCADAs, and just do it. And it happens. It will happen, and you'll kind of know when you're ready. So it's a great program. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Diana. It's very, very kind of you. And when you're ready for your main license, text me 4 days before. I'll be helping you to pass there also. Okay.
I know exactly where to find you.
Perfect. Thank you, Diana. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.